Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to get local legends Strava. So, first thing that you will do is simply open up Strava, and from here you can just simply go ahead and tap on the U on the bottom right corner of the screen, and just simply go to the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. And from here, just simply scroll down and just simply go to privacy controls. And after that, you can just simply go to local legends. And guys, make sure the local legends is on everyone. And now, once you have done that, in order for you to get the local legend achievement on your Strava, you must match to the segment more times than any other athlete in the past 90 days, and efforts older than 90 days will be removed from the overall effort count. And guys, remember, you can become the local legend regardless of your pace or speed recorded on the segment. So you must just simply do your best in a certain segment and you will become a local legend. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.